Hi, Jim. What you're looking at right here is the inside of your website on the back end, and this is where you'll come to when you're going to be editing your site. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how this works. Really simple. And so once you get in, I sent you a link to become administrator, and you should be able to get in, and it will look like this. So over here on this side, you're going to see home, about, contact, old items, untitled, teachings, and the 70 weeks. So if you wanted to add a page, you could simply click on this plus sign right here. And what I would do is I would click down here to standard page like that, and I'd give it a title like, well, let's call it test page, right? And then we will, if you don't want people to see it, you click this, hide navigation, but I'll just show you how it works, okay? And then for header, you're going to want to select no header. You don't want any header for that. Okay, and so then what you do is once you create a page here, then you simply go over to this tab right here that says build. Okay, and then you just click on build. And what you'll want to do if you're going to like add some text, it's really easy right here. Up on the top, it'll say title or text. And I usually just use text, and I just click on it and I drag it over here into this white area right here on the screen. You'll see a blue line. And when you see the blue line, just release it. And there, now you have on your screen where it says click here to edit. So we can type into here now, let's say test teachings. Okay, so then and you can click out of there anywhere, and there it is. Okay, now if you're going to upload a Word document or a PDF, this is how you do it. So you have this here, test teachings, and maybe you want to put a title in here. You do a text, draw this over here again, click on it and release it. Say, end time events, right? Click out of that like that, and then there it is. Okay, so maybe that's the name of the teaching. Maybe you want a title. Maybe you don't. Well, you just have to play around with it. So if you want end time teachings there and you want to upload one, go over here to your tools over here, and then just kind of scroll down to where you come to file. See, so you got like audio, YouTube, file. Then click on file and just drag it over here and drop it under end time events. Okay, so now notice that it says right there, click here to upload file. So what you want is you want your teaching to be somewhere you can find it in a folder or right on the desktop. And so for this illustration in this video, I'm just going to show you because I have a test document already on my desktop. So if you click right here where it says click here to upload, it'll bring this little box up here and it says upload file. So you just click on that, and notice it says upload file, this green button, upload file from your computer. Well, you can click on that, or if you have space, you can drag and drop it right in here, but we'll just click on this. See, it says upload file from your computer. Okay, so this takes you now to a drop down. I'm using a Mac, and yours is probably a little bit different if you got a PC, but it'll be basically the same thing. It will bring up a bunch of files or places to look for it somewhere on your desktop or your files. See, so I have right here a test page already. So you can just either double click on it, or you can highlight it, and then mine says open. Yours may say something else, but you just open it or double click on it, and notice it says uploading, upload complete, that fast right there. So there it is. There's a test page that's been uploaded to a page we created on your website. And now if you want to publish this, you just hit this blue button up here that says publish. So we publish, and then it's published right now, but you can also click right here on your web address, and it will push out a brand new page. I'll show you. So we click on this, and it's opening up a brand new edited page of your website. See, home. So I'll get rid of the old one there that I already had open. So now we see when we go to home, of your website here, notice it says test page right here. So home, teachings, and test page. So you just go over here and click test page. And what we just did, there it is. So if somebody wants to open up this file or download it, they can just click on it, download file, whatever it is, and it's downloaded to the computer, and then they can open it up from their computer. And in my case, I'm going to open this up, the test page, and there it is. There's the test page in Microsoft Word. And I would suggest that you convert your Microsoft Word documents to PDFs and upload them that way, because then nobody can edit your teachings because it's locked in as a PDF unless they find some program to convert it back to a Microsoft Word document. But that's how you do that. And if you want to save a Microsoft Word document as a PDF, all you have to do is hit File, go down to Save As, click that, and then select. See, this one here says File Format Word Document, so you can click this, and I can select PDF here. And I click that, and then, export. So now this page got exported to my documents or something over here as a PDF somewhere. Downloads, test page, PDF. There it is right there. I'll drag it to my desktop. There, it's right there now. So if I wanted to upload the PDF, I would go back to wherever your web browser's at, and you go back into your back end, which will say Weebly on your tab. I think that your computer, some of the PCs don't have the tabs up here like Macs do. They have them down at the bottom, but it's the same concept. So you hit that, and then this little round button here with the X is okay to click, because all it's doing is you're saying you're dismissing this. It says website published, so the last thing that we did got published, so you can click out of that. And then let's suppose we want to upload this PDF instead of a Word document. Well, you just do the same thing. You go over here to your tools and you click on File, drag it over, and you'll see a blue line there, release it, and then you can say click here to upload file. So click, upload file from your computer. Oh, there's the PDF that I saved. Double click it, it's uploading right there. Bam. See, it says test page PDF now. So hit publish over here, and your blue button over here to launch it. And there it is. It says right here, see, website published already. So you can just click out of this, and there it is. But what you want to do to see it, you go back to your website, the one that's open, and you'll want to refresh it. So wherever your browser for your internet refreshes, you'll just click on that. And see, there it is. It automatically refreshed it and put it right on that page where I put it. And this way somebody can download the file, and there it is. They've got your teaching as a PDF, and they really can't edit it that way. So I'll call you and we can go through this, but I'll send this to you right away, and just go over it a few times, and that's how I do it. It's really not hard. It's just repetition, getting used to it. So let's see how this works, okay? All right, we'll talk again soon.